Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a Halloween cake.
But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. All right, let's get started.
So the elements we're making today are the tombstone, rolled fondant roses, chocolate shards, and a chocolate ganache drip. We'll start off by mixing up our favorite batter. Here I'm using red velvet. I'm baking this in two 6-inch pans, and I allow them to cool completely before filling and frosting the cake. If you'd like a tutorial on how to fill and frost a cake, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to make one. So first up, we'll make the tombstone. We'll roll out a thick piece of black fondant. If you'd like my marshmallow fondant recipe, just click the link above. I'll also leave it in the description down below. I'm going to cut out the tombstone. I'm just going to freehand it. And we'll just neaten up the edges. I'll take a Dresden tool and carve the letters RIP. Here I'm dusting the tombstone with some silver petal dust just to give it a worn, weathered look. And we'll set that aside to dry completely. Next, I'm making some rolled roses. So we'll take a piece of black fondant, roll that into a log. I'm going to flatten it out and roll it out with a rolling pin. We're going to thin out one of the edges just to give the petals a ruffled look. And we'll start rolling from one end. And we'll set those aside to dry completely as well. And here I'm making the chocolate shards, so I've just melted some chocolate. I've allowed it to cool a bit and become a spreadable consistency. We'll spread that into an even layer, and I'm just going to add some texture to the top. We'll set it aside to firm up before cutting it into shards. Alright, let's decorate the cake. I'm going to apply some chocolate ganache and let it drip down the sides. I'll leave my chocolate ganache recipe above and in the description below. For this cake, I don't want the drips to be too neat like you see on most drip cakes. And place the tombstone right in the center of the cake. And begin to place the roses around it. I apologize for the camera angle being a little off. And here I've already placed the chocolate shards behind the tombstone.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.
Once rolled up, we'll go ahead and fan out the petals.